Really? And I'm singing to you in the car. And what are you doing? Okay. What? I want to go in the garden centre. Hello. Should we go in the garden centre to the doggy bit? Find a new toy? Yeah? I'll take that as a yes. Don't miss the next exciting episode.